Okay, welcome back to Jam and In There Repair. I'm Joe. I'll be working on the Ariens snow thrower today. Was doing some snow blowing and the belt flew off. So we're going to open up the side cover, take a look at what's inside there, and see if we can do just a simple belt flip replacement for you. Let me get you all set up. We'll be right back. Let me pull this apart. Give me a minute. I found the problem here. That done blowed up real good. Get in there a little bit. So yeah, all that fuzzy wuzzy was a belt. Now it all went and melted. So, don't know how that happened. I'm going to clean it all up. Go get a new belt. Alright, I don't see anything wrong with the pulleys in here. The idler seems to be alright. Engages properly. So, that belt was about 5 years old, and I inspected it in the fall. I put new paddles on here. And I thought, well, maybe I should change that belt. And I didn't. It looked okay. So, well, I guess new paddles puts a little extra strain on an old belt, and it just gave up. So, now I'm going to take a picture of right here. Get in there. I'll take that over to my dealer and we'll get the right belt for it. So actually it'll be like Greasy Rag Garage. Check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to take it over by him. He'll get me a belt. So alright, so I gotta clean up my mess. Park it. Nobody in town has a belt for me. So I'll come back to it in a day or two. I'll be back. Alright, so here we are a week later and finally got the belt for the Ariens snow thrower here. I'm gonna set you up on the mount. We'll show you how to install it. So it'll be a few minutes. Hold on. Alright, loosen this up. Alright, looks like it'll work. That's not good, it's rubbing on something. What the hell? So what the hell would cause that? Alright, so it's a couple of weeks later, and I'm just getting back to this. I'm still shredding the belt here. Somewhere this is all coming off this belt. You can see a little damage along the belt here. So I was stumped and I couldn't figure out what in the hell is going on. And then I played the video that you guys just watched, and you can see the wear mark right there on the brake. So there's something wrong with this assembly here. I'm going to take the belt back off, and I'm going to see what's going on with this plate. I think it's bent. I just need to bend it down a little bit for clearance, and we'll be good. Alright, let's get that belt off of here. Yeah, so what do you think? Should I replace it or just cut that off? I think I'll just cut it off. Alright, I'm going to take this bolt out of here. So that does not look bent to me. I thought it was going to be somehow bent and rubbing on the belt. But now that I look at it, this, what I thought was rubbing, is just paint marks from the factory. They put it in here, then spray painted this. That just happened to be behind the wheel. So what the hell? My bearings feel good. That feels tight and fine, and it's hitting the brick. Move this out a little bit. I guess that is a little noisy, but okay, so here's what I've come up with. Is this belt is too wide, or was too wide, and it's simply melting off the outer edge here, because when you stick it into the pulley here, it fits in there, but just barely. I mean, it's a tight fit this way, widthwise. So I think it was just getting seated into the grooves. It's the right amount of grooves for as many we have up here. So I think I'm just not going to worry about it. I'm going to put the belt back in there, fire it up, and let it seal itself into the pulley, because I cannot find anything else wrong with this belt or the pulley system. So I'll run it till it breaks. There you go. It's that pulley. I need a new idler pulley. That thing's kicking sideways, kicking it out sideways and cutting underneath the back of the belt. Let's try this. Probably a bad idea. You see that? Yeah. Let's see if that did anything. Funny, it feels okay. You know, it doesn't feel loose at all. So, they're probably 20 bucks. I'll order one. When I looked online for the belt on Amazon, they sold a kit that included that idler pulley. I saved $5. Yeah, no, I don't think I saved anything. Dang! Alright, I'm going to wrap up this video here. I did not replace the idler pulley. I just bent it like you saw earlier. And I ran it about 10 minutes. I ran it out of gas, as a matter of fact. And no problems. Everything seemed to be working fine. I used a cord to tie the handle up. So I just sat there and ran, no problems. So I'm going to put the cover back on here and button it up and see how it does. It's March, middle of March in Wisconsin. So it's about a 50-50 chance that we get more snow. I might use this guy to push some snow. The belt is already shot, so I don't care if the belt blows up on me or not. It might last a day, it might last 2 years, I don't know. So I'm going to guess it's going to fail, and I'll let you know what happens. But for now, I'm going to use it like it is. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you learned something today. Make a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate everything you guys do for me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.